Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I just want to show you a folio insert or a page that I'm getting ready to make among some other papers for a journal, junk journal. And the paper line that I primarily used on here was a lady's diary, graphic 45. It's the deluxe collector's edition. Yeah. So what I did for the front was I die cut some shapes and stuff using various dyes. Let's see, like this one here, this flower die is from the Sizzix Alterations Bigs die, Tattered Florals, and I used it throughout here along with the Sizzix Hero Arts. It's a framelit set. It's a stamp and framelit set, and that's what I used to make the butterfly. You can see that. So I have a pocket here, and then I just took some pieces of scrap paper and made some tags. Let's see. I'm gonna put this back in here. And then I just added some graphic 45 stickers for the front. And this right here, this backdrop, I made that using it's the Movers and Shapers Big Ticket die, Tim Holtz. So this opens up. And I use, for this backdrop, I use the Sizzix, which one? Frame corner die to make this right here. And I just took some words and sentiments and put those on there. This right here can come out, and you can use it as a journaling spot. And I just fussy cut it out from the paper line, the graphic 45. Ladies Diary paper line, and you can use it as a tuck spot as well if you want. So this here comes, it's from Rosa Raptor Cute Cyclops. It's a mini envelope digital kit that I made, and I printed it out and cut it out at a smaller size. And then this right here, this is a part of my digital kit. It's the freebie kit that's on Facebook. This one is Lost Ephemera. This is one of my newest ones that I made. And it's just some scrap index card. And then I just took a border. I just took some leftover scrap paper and cut out this little border using the little funny scissors. Actually, let me show you. I just took some that had these little jagged edges on it. And for this little tuck spot here, I used the die. Let's see, I think it's Spellbinders, or no, this die right here, the picket fence. This is made by Poppystamps. And then this little die cut piece here, it was a freebie that I had gotten from a swap, and I just added it to some acetate, and then I slid this picture up under here and used this as a pocket, and just added some stickers from the paper line. And then this folds over, and you have some this is from Genevieve's paper collection. Which one is this one? I have to look it up. It's one of her older papers, but this is just the file that came out of there. And let's see, this is from Luise Heinzl on Etsy. This one is her Urban Mirrors digital collection. I think I have some more in here. And then these are just from my freebie on Facebook, the digital kit, the Lost Ephemera. I just added some of these to it. And then I just took an index card and added some washi tape and did some stamping using the Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous. I forgot which one this one was. And then I just added a piece of tassel, which I need to sew it in there because it's not completely done. It's kind of sharp right there. And then I just took a snippet from the paper, the Graphic 45 paper line, and just added some jute to it and made that into a tag. And then I just took, this one's actually from Couture, the Graphic 45 Couture collection. And then I just cut out some flowers and circles, and this heart was a freebie that I got from a swap. And I just fussy cut out this woman. So this opens up. I'm just going to flip this back over here. And then this pops up. Maybe you can see that or not, but basically you have like a little bench, and the bench die that I used for this is, let's see, it's by Elizabeth Crafts Designs, garden bench. Elizabeth Craft Designs 780 garden bench is what I used for it. And then I used the spring greenery, the Tim Holtz Spring Greenery. Let me turn it like this for the leaves and these little what do you call it, grass. It came with the Elizabeth Craft Design dies. So this tree comes out, and I made the tree using Spellbinders, this little Spellbinders die. Maybe you can see that or not. This little tree is right here. And so I just cut it out, took some Distress Oxides by Tim Holtz, and colored in the trees, and then I added some glossy, not glossy accents, but what is it called? The little glitter stuff. Art glitter, not art glitter glue. It's Stickles. I used some green Stickles on here. And this butterfly comes from, it's a little die cut that I stamped and dyed using the Sizzix Alterations French Flight. I just took one of the butterflies from here, I stamped it and cut it out. And then I added some liquid pearls, some blue liquid pearls to it. So this opens up into like a little journaling spot. And there's a little tab, a little slot here where this tab goes into to close it. You can see that or not. So that's how that goes. And then this postcard is also from the stamp and die set postcard. That's my son in the background. And then I just added a flower that I stamped and dyed using this Sizzix Hero Arts here, and then I used the Tim Holtz Tattered Florals right here, and then I just added I took a cutout from the paper line, and this is from Rosa Raptor. This is from her mini Cyclops digital kit, and I printed these out at a smaller size, and just added some paper to it. Put this back in here. So this closes down. Well, actually, this goes back down in here. this closes, and then I seal this. I'm thinking about adding a piece of some type of jewelry or something down here. But I hope you enjoyed this, and watch some of my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.